In our company, it's that team effort that gives everyone an experience they want to share. We try to go the extra distance every time. And now our efforts have been repaid with this fantastic 5-star review. We really work extremely hard to provide the best possible service, and we're proud to know that according to our reviews, people appreciate our efforts and agree that we're doing a great job. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Experience our service and you'll be amazed. Thank you for dropping in today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us soon and let us give you the same amazing service.